So if we go to this particular invoice, then I can click on the invoice. You can see the user interface. So on the left side, you see all the information out of the invoice, out of the XML. It's not visible that APRO picked it out of the XML, but for me it is, because if I go to the invoice in text, so this is basically if I would get a PDF file, you would see here the OCR text, and I don't see anything, but still I have all the invoice information. So for me, that's one of the points that I can see we are working with an XML file. For APRO, it basically doesn't matter if it's an XML or if it's a PDF, it's all working the same way. It will see it as an invoice, it will process it. So the only thing that you need to do now as a user, you can validate it against the PDF. So I can see the invoice amount is found correctly. It doesn't have to be found because it's stated in the XML. It found the PO. And also it shows you straight away all the information out of Oracle. So this one has an open line, it has a canceled line. It's a big supplier that's giving some services over, and I created the PO for 10 million. So APRO needs to partially match against this PO line to connect, and then it automatically matches against that line based on description, but it can also be other values on the XML to get matched. So price, quantity, item number, whatever that could be found.